Hello everyone, hope you are doing good today. So today I'm going to explore this software which is named as RAP. It's an agentic development environment. Okay, so this is the website of RAP. So it's warp.dev. You can come here and this is the website name. Okay, and so basically we'll go through the website first. I'll start the download. So this is available for Mac and Windows. So I'll start the download, and then we can explore the website while it's being downloaded. Okay. Okay, so it's saying your download will start automatically. If it did not start, you can download it here. So I'm still waiting for it to start. So means it's not started. Okay, so it has started. So I'll download it now. So till it's downloaded, let's go back to the website, main website, and we'll see. So basically, it's a terminal. So use agents to build complex feature in production. Agents deploy multiple agents. Terminal work faster with a modern, intelligent terminal built for speed. Okay, centralized knowledge and context for agents and teammates. Okay, so resources. So this is its blog. If you want to read it, you can read through the blog. So introducing OZ, the orchestration platform cloud agent. So there are a lot of things there on this website. So what I'll do, install this terminal and explore that and see the features of it. So rest you can explore if you want. So resources, you have a lot of options here: blog, documents, community events, and all those things are there. You can explore it. So trusted by these. So these are the companies or platforms that they use. Don't take our word for it. So Microsoft tells turn minute into second. Things would. So these are all about it. So these are news and announcement. If you want to join the team, you can apply to them, um, apply in their companies for job. Okay, so let's explore this. So these are the different options that are available. So it's basically available for Mac, Linux, and Windows. So for Macs, Brew install like this. You can go to terminal, install it like this. For Linux, you can, if you have Debian-based system, you can install using deb package. Or if you have RHEL or Red Hat-based system, you can install through RPM. You can have source code also, archive. You can run it through this also. App image is also there. So these are different options available for Linux, for Windows, exe and exe. For 1064-bit and ARM. For ARM, it is available, ARM-based processors. Okay, so you can also install using command line. So winget install wrap. Okay, so I have downloaded it already. Excuse me. So let's install it, and we'll after installation we'll explore how it looks, how it works. Okay. So install it for me better. So this option will install for every user. So currently I will install, like, let's install it for every user. For this option, you will need admin privileges. For second option, you will need admin privileges. If you don't have admin privileges on your system, use the first option, like install for me, like current user only. Okay. So next, create desktop. I don't need it. Add path, install. Okay, so the installation is completed. So let's start it now. Sign up. So it's asking me to sign up. Let's sign up. I don't have any account. So I'll log in through my Gmail account, log in through Google. So you can log in through any one of the option that you have. Okay. Okay. So open wrap. Okay. So I have signed in. Modern terminal, state of art agents built in. Okay, let's see how it is and what it is. So it's starting. Get started. So you can choose like this. This is the themes, light, dark, and this is the theme. So whichever you like, you can choose. So for now, I'll keep uh, this one. Dark mode is fine for me now. What brings you rap? Agent driven development, classic terminal. I think actually I was exploring terminal, so anything is fine. Any one of it you can choose. So let's choose this one. I want to do some development also. So customize your agent, cost efficient, optimize for cost, responsive, optimize for speed, for premium. These are premium versions. So if you take paid version, you will have these options. So I will have this one. So let's use the classic one. So let's go this one. Okay. Meet your terminal input. Next, finish. Okay. So this is about the terminal. Here you can new tabs and all. Okay, so these are the new terminals, new tabs you can open, and Windows PowerShell also you can run like this. Window Bash also Bash commands you can use if you have Git Bash. Okay, so these are the different options. Uh, okay, let me see. So let's close this. Okay. Okay, this is one software which I'm running, so it's trying to WSL basically, so it's fine. So restore the close tab, new terminal tab, restore the close tab, new agent tab, new cloud agent tab. So let's do this. Okay, so these are the different things. Okay, let's do. If I press this, it's showing me help. So input shell command, ls. Okay, okay. So shell commands are also working. Okay, this is not working basically. So this is I think basic commands you can use. Help. So this is the help topics. Start window PowerShell with run as administrator option. Type update help. So, okay. So there's a lot of things. Okay. So this is basic terminal. Help umbrella. So this is a very clean terminal. You can run PowerShell command like this. ls ifconfig ipconfig. It will tell you like what is the wrong in the command. ip ipconfig. You can press tab to autocomplete. See, and if you type a command and press tab, it will give you all the different options for it. So autocomplete it there. You can find things in terminal. Press question mark to get help. So if you do exclamation mark, input cell command for slash for different commands, add for path and attracting, you can. So a lot of options are not available in Windows. If you want to explain all the agentic features, you can always download Mac version or Linux version. In Linux, not everything is supported, but few things are supported. In Windows, there are like less support. Maybe more features are coming. So this is a very clean, intuitive terminal that you can try. Okay, so best feature is autocomplete, find, and so here if you see every command has its own section. You can search in this command in this section, scroll through each. So a very clean interface. Okay. So suppose I want to do some multi-line command, run this multi-line command, and if I go up you can edit this multi-line also. So there are a lot of options in this terminal. You just try to install it. If you have Mac, that will be awesome because you can get all the features. If you have Linux, you can try it on Linux also. And for Windows, this is a good terminal with a very good interface and lot of other options. So hope you like the software. Go and just explore it, download, install, and work in it. Hope you like the this walkthrough, and if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, comment on this, and just go and explore. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.